What's up, guys? Utopian Bublets here with a huge giveaway announcement on the 9th of February, which is my birthday. I will be doing a huge Pokemon card opening to celebrate my birthday, and also 5 lucky winners will be able to get their hands on some codes. If you are a member to my channel already, then you can gain access to older codes as well as collection boxes codes and stuff like that. And in order to take part, hopefully you've been liking, subscribing and sharing and commenting on my previous videos until now and stuff like that. But so I will be opening the Palkia V-Star trainer kits, single blisters, and then also triple blisters, and then on top of that collection boxes as well, like the Roaring Moon, the Aegis Slash EX, and the Iron Valley. But I did get my hands on some prismatic evolution, so I can't wait. So be there to watch me open up that beauty. Bye.